girl, better come follow me. Come follow me. Come follow me. Push. Better come follow me. Push. Better come follow me. So damn come on now. I say what telling me. Push. After them coming up, boom shot. Okay. Open to a pinga. Open to a pinga. From when I'm gonna do a nima. Never gonna hawk her. Push. Open to a pinga. Open to a pinga. From when I'm gonna do a nima. Never gonna hawk her. If I am gonna hear. I saw who I'm here. You could be my nana, I could be a teacher. From when I'm gonna do a nima. Never gonna hawk her. You gonna hawk her. You could be my nana, I could be a teacher. From when I'm gonna do a nima.
Gotta release some problem. Money is what I can all of them. No more money, more problem. yazo. In the send you kamaka. Garenda pastime. Ashishi morama. Alishukuma yazo.
I can't see no us. So shit the me on the outside.
Wagwan UK. Wagwan UK. So if you don't know, my name is Nick aka Afro Beast, co-founder of DDO EP. This is our first time in UK. Obviously, we can't come here and perform for you guys without sharing the culture with you guys, okay? So I'm gonna hand over the microphone to Dempsey. We're gonna teach you guys 1 or 2 steps, and then we do it together. Are you ready? If you're ready, let me hear you say so. Yes, sir.
Yo, madam. Madam, we're chilling in the park, isn't it? Oh, is my accent in? So are we doing the dance with me, yeah? Are you gonna chill with me, yeah? I'm gonna party in the park with me, yeah? So the weather around this. That'll be crazy. Alright, so I'm gonna teach you guys some simple dance steps here. The first one is called DJ. Let me say DJ. DJ. It's very easy, alright? So see, anywhere you stand, yeah, just let your left hand be like this, all right? Your left hand in front of you this way. And oh, get space, so this one if I do hey, and I won't say repeat it. You gotta do this one, yeah. Yeah. So your left hand, I'm going to say, and then the left hand in the air like this, and I wanna go front and back, to the front and back. Okay, to the front and back. I say to the front and back. Everybody to the front and back. Front and back. And no, you are done. See, you are done. Okay, so are you ready to try with the song? DJ, watch it. DJ, DJ. Quamsy. Okay, DJ Quamsy. Okay, I'm ready. Are you guys ready?
I really don't want to give you mango. Who send me to body, I can do.
I feel like you guys are not enjoying the DJ downstairs. I feel like you need to tell them something because they're not enjoying themselves.
I'm feeling flower. was so like, what is it? Yo, see, you pay money, come here. You paid money to come have some fun. You paid money to come and meet your future husband, your future wife. Yeah, yo, I don't know about you, I know about me. I'm not living the same way I came to UK, you get me? Right, brother. So, Dempsey, take it away this time. DJ Quams, take it away. We're going to the front and back one more time. Take a body, got a body, and 5, and 6, and 5, 6, 7 to the front and back, to the front and back, to the front and back, front and back, fresh boy, yeah, to the front and back, to the front and pink lips, oh my days, yeah.
Alright, thank you so much. So are you ready to move to the second step? This one, hey, this one, if as you say, you know they do, I go feel vexed, like I will be mad. Wait, I'm gonna be mad, innit? Tell me, Biamuka, innit? I mean, everything is innit. Yeah. So if you guys don't do it, I'm gonna be mad, innit? So this one is very, very simple. It looks like this. You go, oh, no, how they are crowded, I don't think they can do this one. Let's give them, they're crowded, so I don't think they can move their legs. You understand? So you should do more of the hands, right? So let's try Luke Ajo. Never as Minister. Wagwan. What is it? Yeah. No, it don't be real money now. See. If you want to throw the money, throw the better one. Don't throw this one. Alright, so it goes like this. Can you help me? It goes like this. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it goes 1, 2, 3. Okay, first off, your hand is gonna be like this. Then be like, you ask him, what is it?
Hey, Smoke, you come over that guy in here. Smoke, you come over that guy in here. Pengton, man. He knows himself.
Alright, so we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. So on my count, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. The guy when they wear the whites, they walk. You know they're part of us. Okay, they're still partying, Abby. They're also partying. Okay, so in 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. You understand? That's what we're gonna do. So 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Ask him, what is it? What is it? Yo, what go on, me brother? Yeah, what is it? That's all. So when you wanna dance, you know right now you're not dancing. But if you wanna dance, look at Afrobeat closely. Afrobeat. I say in 5, 6, 7, Luke Juu. Oh God. Again, I want to see one more time. In 5, 6, 7, Luke Juu. You understand? So if you are we ready? Yes! So the energy just there here. I know they hear now already there. Are we ready? Still. Wait. That's right. Okay. Are we ready? Okay, now let's try all of them, Abby. Okay, are we ready? Okay, so these are quams. Okay. Now we fly 2 steps. What's the name of the first step? Hey, you forgotten. Oh, man, them. So the first step. Okay, so the second step. What is it? Luke Juu. All right, so the final dance step. Let me say Gouda. Hey, but this Gouda, you're not going to move your legs, all right? So the real dance looks like this. It goes like this. Lisa, show them the real dance. 5, 6. You want to beat? Okay, guys, let's hype it up.
To the ones and twos right now. Gonna party in the park now. to the ones and twos right now. LQ, LQ, LQ. 5, 6, 7, and Buddha, Buddha, Buddha. Hey, Buddha, Buddha, Buddha. Hey, Buddha, Buddha, Buddha. Hey, Buddha, Buddha, Buddha. And the Sangele Mola Buddha. Ha! Yeah! Yo, guys, we came here to secure our future. So if you see us doing too much, brother, don't hate. We're securing our future, huh? Yeah.
Alright, so the first one, your left like this. Yeah, I know some of you are packed, but yeah, try and find space. Just do this, and then like this. Alright, your deuces. Is it deuces? Yeah, it's deuces. Alright, and then your wrist. You touch your wrist. Yeah. Okay, so your wrist, and then come to your elbow, all the way to the right chest. Okay, so you go 1, 2, 3. All right. Okay, so we go in 5. Okay, so let's go to drop it. Okay, so let's go wrist, elbow, chest, and drop. Okay, so in 5, 6, 7, we go wrist, elbow, chest, and drop. 5, 6, 7, and wrist, elbow. Some people they touch different side. Guys, this side is your wrist, okay? So this is your wrist. Come down to your elbow, this side. I remember. This is your elbow, and then the right chest, all the way here. So it looks like this. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready to try it? Okay, let's go. In 5, 6, 7, and wrist. There you go. Wrist, elbow, chest, and drop. Wrist, elbow, chest, and drop. Hey ba. Are we going? So let's go this way. Everybody. So in 5, 6, 7. Okay, DJ, right now we're going to combine it. Alright, we're going to combine the 4 steps or 3 steps, right? We did DJ, we did Luke Cager, and then we did Buddha. So we're going to combine them, and then, yeah, we party in the park. We continue partying. Alright, so DJ, any song, let's go. So, Aliyah, you go. Lisa, you go. Randy, you go. I go. Afrobeats go. We all go. You understand? Alright, so Aliyah, start. DJ, fire call. Are you ready? Give it up. DJ.
boy them say overseas. Cause they be but still we do. That's what they call this today. Me too wanna be Charlie, I've been a but the boy them say overseas. Cause they be but still we do. That's what they call this today. Me too wanna be Charlie, I've been a never try this boy. Nobody can try me. From them and to London, everybody feeling the song. Need to put up the anthem. That's how this still.
In Ghana, because we are all Ghanaians and we are South Africans, Nigerians, celebrating Ghanaian culture. Big ups to Ghana Party and the Party, the event organizers. We are DWP Academy up in Ghana, and we send love from our colleagues at home. So right now we're going to do a quick exercise. Mokufi tell everybody to say we'll come UK. Do you understand? Like we just need evidence to be like, oh, we came. We will not branch, go anywhere. Do you understand? So we're going to make a video. Our small but mighty team is Okoma. Someone is going to carry her. Yeah? So we're going to say DWP Academy to the world. Or DWP to the world. We're going to make our life easy. So say we're going to come next year. For reference purpose. Yeah? Alright, so you ready? You ready? Secure our future, more secure your home. Alright. In 5, 4,